Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we have the software Process Street and this is the best AI powered process management tool. Now before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can use to simply get extended free trials as well exclusive benefits and rewards on this platform called Process Street. Now jumping onto the site, as you can see we are currently on this dashboard, and here you can see a couple of things like, for example, the already created processes and workflows. I have already created two for the demo purposes. Now we want to create a new one. You can click on this new on the top right side of your screen. It will be asking either you want to create a workflow, form, page or task. So you are going to be choosing one of this, and let's say I want to simply create a page. I'm going to be clicking on page. Once I do that, just wait for a couple of seconds until it loads up and you will be able to see it is asking for a title. Enter in here a title and add an emoji. Like for example, I'm going to be adding this one and click on publish. So just wait for a couple of seconds until it is published. You can also add content according to your likings. So you have this edit option, so you can totally customize everything. Now coming back onto the dashboard, you can see we have reports, my work section. Here will be all the processes listed and you can simply check them or uncheck them if you want. So it have a lot of capabilities. Also you can add assignees, so you can have a collaborative workflow. Now if you head over to its ratings and how people are enjoying this or not, if we talk about that, you can see simplifying workflow management with ease, the user says, and also it is reliable, user friendly, continuously improving, a top choice for any professional, and much more. So it have a lot of positive ratings that you should try this software out. So make sure to head over to the link in the description to get exclusive benefits and rewards and extended free trials on Process Street. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.